Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World shares struggle to climb after the chances of early interest rate cuts globally receded, and Chinese markets recorded modest gains on their return from the Lunar New Year break. A holiday for US markets made for thin trading. ARK Invest sold nearly 500,000 shares of Coinbase Global, worth around $90 million, as the Nasdaq listing cryptocurrency exchange witnessed a slew of analyst upgrades after its fourth quarter results beat Wall Street expectations. The European Union is set to fine Apple about €500 million over alleged breaches of EU competition law, the Financial Times reported. The fine is expected to be announced early next month, the FT said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Red Book Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's exports at 23:50 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence ADJ will be released at 05:30 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.